So hello everyone and welcome to Career Launcher. I hope you all are aware that every Wednesday and Thursday at 9 p.m. we come up with this session where I discuss static GK questions mostly. It is important for this year exam as well for the next year as well. So am I audible and visible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Okay. So let's begin the class with the question and answer session. Yes, good evening. Am I audible, visible? Everything is fine? एक बार comments में लिख दो. Yes, okay. So let's begin. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया कि every Wednesday, Thursday, 9 p.m. पे we actually ask questions. We actually discuss static GK questions where I give you questions. You have to answer it in the live chat. So let's begin with the first question of the day. The first question is in front of you. What do you mean by the term Brexit? And these are the four options. ये एक जमाने में current affairs का part हुआ करता था. Now it has become a part of static GK. Sometimes if you read newspaper, this term also comes in the news even today also. कई बार अखबार में आपने देखा होगा ये term अक्सर आता है. Yes, Ayush Nasha is saying C. Very good. It is actually Britain exiting from European Union. जो term है ना देखो BREXIT Brexit. So BR से Britain और exiting from European Union. Exiting from European Union. Yes, yes, Ayush, Nasha, and Shruti, you both are right. C is the right answer to this question. ठीक है? ये आपको बताना चाहिए. So basically, you can see, Brexit was the withdrawal of United Kingdom from European Union following a referendum. Actually, क्या होता है referendum हुआ था means the elections happened, a sort of an election where opinion of the people were taken in 2016 में. Opinion of common people were taken. Okay. Before actually taking this decision, and the people voted. थोड़ा सा slightly, I think 51% के आसपास people voted for Brexit, whereas somewhere around 48-49% said that we should stay in European Union. So finally, this because of which actually they have decided. So the Britain had decided to come out of European Union. That's called as Brexit. Okay? Yes, Shruti and Ayush Nasha, you both were right. C is the right answer to this question. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2 says, how many countries are the members of European Union? 26, 27, 28, 29. Yes, Ayush, Shruti, you are right. B is the right answer to this question. It is not 28. Actually, 28 हुआ करता था. Then -1 happened, and now we are having 27. This is Brexit. This is because of Brexit, or the Britain coming out of European Union. So the right answer is B is the right answer to this question. So you should know this. Okay. Yes, Shruti, very good. So that is why we are having 27 countries. So let me see. Let me show. So here is India. These are actually European countries, or Europe. And these European countries, not all, but 27 of those European countries have formed a grouping called as European Union. ठीक है? कुछ उसके members नहीं भी हैं. अगर आप गौर से देखोगे, जैसे ये वाला है. This one is Norway. and it is not a part of European Union. This is, I hope you can understand, UK, Britain, United Kingdom. It is also not a part of actually European Union. Then ये वाला मैं इसलिए specifically I'm discussing it. This is Ukraine, and after the Russia-Ukraine war, this has actually applied for being the member of European Union. And the Ukraine applied it after Russia-Ukraine war started in February 2022. उसके बाद यूक्रेन ने अप्लाई किया है यूरोपियन यूनियन की मेंबरशिप के लिए, हालांकि टिल नाउ इट हैज नॉट बीन गिवन. ठीक है. और भी बहुत सारी कंट्री जैसे बेलारूस है, इट इज आल्सो नॉट, इट इज एक्चुअली रशियाज अलाई, सो दिस इज आल्सो नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ दैट. सिमिलरली आप बीच में देखो फ्रांस के बगल में देख रहे हो, ये दिस इज एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एज स्विट्जरलैंड, और इसको काफी न्यूट्रल कंट्री माना जाता है हमेशा से. सो दिस इज आल्सो एक्चुअली नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ यूरोपियन यूनियन. वो हार्डली किसी ग्रुपिंग्स में या उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, स्विट्जरलैंड. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड बी नोइंग इट. फिर यहाँ पे भी कुछ कंट्रीज हैं, बट दीज आर नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वंस. सो द इंपॉर्टेंट वंस आई हैव हाइलाइटेड फॉर यू. ठीक है, तो इतना पता होना चाहिए. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेज European Union was established as a result of which treaty? Morocco Treaty, Maastricht Treaty, Lisbon Treaty, none of the above. Switzerland does not take part in most of the associations, right Shruti? यूरोपियन यूनियन को जो ऑफिशियली एस्टैब्लिश किया गया था, मैंने सेपरेट वीडियो बनाया है ऑल अबाउट यूरोपियन यूनियन, सो यू कैन सर्च, जस्ट जाना यूट्यूब पे सर्च करना ऑल अबाउट यूरोपियन यूनियन करियर लॉन्चर लॉ एंट्रेंस, ऐसे सर्च करोगे यू विल गेट द वीडियो. ठीक है. Yes, so European Union was established as a result of Maastricht Treaty. Yes, Ayush and Shruti, you both are right. B is the right answer to this question. So आपको याद रहना चाहिए. It came into force on 1st November 1993. Now the next is question number 4. The currency euro is used by how many members of European Union? देखो यूरोपियन यूनियन के एक करेंसी उसको यूरो कहते हैं, बट सारी बात पूछा ही जाए कि क्या सारी कंट्रीज यूज करते हैं, कुछ यूज करते हैं 15-20, none of the above. So basically I'm asking that euro is a currency which is very prominent in European Union countries. So how many members are using? And which is the most recent one to join? Yes, Ayush, Nasha, Shruti, Medhavi. You're all right. अभी तक actually 19 countries use कर रहे थे, plus one has recently added. Which is the recent one? Croatia. Very good, Ayush, Nasha. Croatia actually became the member of this. ठीक है. 19 plus 1 is Croatia. The currency euro is actually used by these 20 countries. अच्छा, इसको define किया था ये 20 countries को. There is a word that is used for them. उस word को क्या कहते हैं? There's a technical word used. Okay, these countries belong to this term. Like what is that called? Just 27 countries belong to European Union. So these 20 countries belong to which category? There's a special term used. Yes, Ayush, Nasha, very good. So these are called as Eurozone countries. Yes, Shruti, very good. आपने बताया था क्रोशिया और यूरोजोन, वेरी गुड श्रुति. ओके, तो ये यूरो करेंसी अगर आप चाहो तो देख सकते हो, और इसमें इनका फ्लैग भी लगा हुआ है टॉप में यूरोपियन यूनियन का. आई हैव मेड अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन यूरोपियन यूनियन, प्लीज गो एंड वॉच इट. जस्ट आपको यूट्यूब पे जाके सर्च करना है ऑल अबाउट यूरोपियन यूनियन. ठीक है, फिर सर्च करना है करियर लॉन्चर लॉ एंट्रेंस, ऐसे पूरा सर्च करोगे. So you will get a video. As far as I remember, the thumbnail is dark blue in color. Blue color का thumbnail मिलेगा. And where I have discussed in detail about European Union. Because European Union, अगर आप newspaper पढ़ोगे, if you start reading newspaper, I am 100% sure you will come across the term European Union. आप जरूर अखबार पढ़ते वक्त अगले एक साल में जब अखबार पढ़ोगे, European Union, Brexit, Eurozone, these things do come in the news. तो इसीलिए आपको पता होना चाहिए यूरोपियन यूनियन के बारे में, ठीक है। So these are 20 countries called as Eurozone, and the latest one to add is Croatia. ठीक है, these are blue one countries and blue countries. These are actually the Eurozone. तो सारे यूरोपियन यूनियन कंट्रीज नहीं, ऑल है ना, आउट ऑफ 27, 20 are actually the Eurozone members. इसका मतलब रेस्ट 7 are not using euro currencies. ठीक है, so ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, है ना। ये अब 20 हो गया 19 से, so you should know this. Now the next question is, where do we find the headquarters of European Union? Yes, Ayush, Nasha, Shruti. Yes, very good. Headquarter of European Union, Brussels में मिलेगा. Brussels is actually the capital of which country? हाँ, यहाँ आपको NATO का भी हेडक्वार्टर मिलेगा. Very good, Ayush. हाँ. Brussels is the capital of which country? It is the capital of Belgium. ठीक है. That is what you should be knowing about it. ठीक है, so let me show in the map. There is India. This is, you can see, Europe. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर आपको मिलेगा बेल्जियम, ब्रसेल्स. ठीक है ना, बेल्जियम में ब्रसेल्स. ओके, है ना. ओके, यस, यहाँ पे. Now let's move on to the next one. How many members are there in African Union? 51, 55, 36, 28. Yes, Ayush, Safi, Omani, Shruti, you're right. The right answer is B is the right answer to this question. 55. Yes. Like we have European Union, in the same fashion we are having African Union also. So this is India. This is Africa. Okay. Okay. So this is, here you will find, sorry, here you will find Africa, and the groupings they have formed is called as African Union. Okay. Now, where is the headquarter of African Union? Addis Ababa, Cairo, Tripoli, Cape Town. What is the right answer? Yes, Safi, Nomani, Ayush, Shriti, you are right. Addis Ababa is the right answer to this question. Headquarter of African Union is Addis Ababa, and this is a city. You will find it in which country? कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? Addis Ababa कहाँ मिलेगा? Yes, Safi Nomani has written capital of Ethiopia. Very good. Yes, Shruti, you are also right. And Addis Ababa is also famously called as what? एक उसके लिए term use किया था. So ये वाला इथोपिया है ना. अरे यार क्या हो गया? ठीक है. Yes, Shruti, Ayush, you are right. Ethiopia is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So this above is there. है ना. And एक चीज और पूछना चाहता हूँ because this is important. From Ethiopia, there is a very famous personality who is heading one of the very prominent agency or organization of United Nations. What is that person? And which agency I'm talking about? कोई बता सकता है? Anyone? So we are talking about is UNGA. UN General Assembly के जो president है, he is actually from Cameroon, Philemon Young. Not UNGA. UNGA हाँ, Cameroon से the current president. ठीक है. Ethiopia के एक है, the person is actually the Director General of WHO. What is his name? And he's actually from Ethiopia. He was very much in the news during COVID. He was coming up with press conferences, and that is why after COVID, when exams came, many exams asked this question: that who is the Director General of WHO? क्या नाम है बताइए? Yes, Ayush, WHO, and उनके Director General का नाम बताना है. He is actually from Ethiopia. Yes. Tedros Adhanom. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now the next is which of the following is not the member of G7? Yes, Ayush and Shruti saying C. Yes. देखो G7 पर मैंने क्लास पूरा लिया. I've already taken class on G7. ठीक है. So you can go and read about it. Just search करना YouTube पे all about G7 Summit 2024. ठीक है. And you will get. आप देख सकते हो ये सब. जैसे जापान है, फिर US, Europe. मैंने पूरा वीडियो बनाया है, so I'm not going in detail. So these are the G7 countries. In fact, European Union officers also do participate in this. ठीक है. So that is what you should be knowing. So in which country G7 Summit 2024 happened? Italy, Japan, UK, Canada. What is the right answer? Yes, it happened in Italy. And who was the host? So it happened in Fasano, in Apulia, in Italy. Yes, PM is Giorgio Meloni. Yes, Shruti, very good. So this is the place actually the G7 Summit 2024 happened. Okay, from 13 to 15 June 2024, Italy. Okay. ठीक है. And who was the host of G7 Summit? अभी मैंने बताया just. The right answer is C, Giorgio Meloni. Yes, Ayush, Shruti, you all right. C is the right answer to this question. So she was the host. You can see, the Prime Minister of Italy. Okay. ये मैंने वीडियो बनाया है, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन वॉच इट, यूट्यूब पे जाना सर्च करना ऑल अबाउट G7 Summit 2024 career launcher law entrance, you will get this video. And actually you can watch in detail about what has happened, how many members are there, how to remember the G7 countries and all. Okay. Now we are talking now about G20. Which of the following is not the member of G20? Saudi Arab, India, Mexico, New Zealand. Okay, so yes, Ayush and Shrut, let me check. New Zealand is not the member. Mexico is the member. So the right answer is actually D is the right answer to this question. Yes, Ayush Nasha is right. Let me show. देखो मेक्सिको का मेंबर है, ठीक है, एंड अगर आप देखो here is New Zealand which is not a member, ठीक है. Okay, so this is what you should be knowing about. Now you can see these are the countries which are the members of the G20, ठीक है. तो उसमें इंडिया भी, you can see India is also a part of it, so that is what you should be knowing about, है ना. तो अब इसमें जो है ना लास्ट ईयर देखो जो G20 समिट होता है इसमें 19 कंट्रीज हैं प्लस 1 यूरोपियन यूनियन इज देयर, बट लास्ट ईयर वन मोर ग्रुपिंग गॉट एडेड. उसका नाम क्या है? African Union also got added last year. So now we are having 19 countries plus European Union plus European Union also. Okay. So this you should be knowing it. The next is the G20 summit. This year is going to happen where? Yes, Shruti and Ayush is saying B. In Brazil, Anna. So B is the right answer to this question. Brazil में जगह है Rio de Janeiro. ठीक है. This is the place where it will happen from 18 to 19th November 2024. Okay, and the president is Lula da Silva, who will be hosting the G20 summit. So let me show. Here is India. This is Brazil. This is Rio. Acha, can you please tell me Rio de Janeiro में we have seen a very famous a very prominent meeting or a summit that happened in the past. वो कौन सी summit है ये meeting है? Can anyone tell me? Anyone? Earth Summit का नाम सुना है? 1992 Earth Summit. It happened on Rio Summit. Yes, Ayush Nasha, very good. मैंने पूरा सेपरेट वीडियो बनाया है. ऑल जस्ट यूट्यूब पे जाना, सर्च करना ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वायरमेंटल समिट्स इन वन क्लास, करियर लॉन्चर लॉ इंटरेस्ट. जस्ट सर्च इट, यू विल गेट टू नो. नहीं, उस वक्त कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज कॉप होता भी नहीं था, ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने कहा ना आप जाके बस सर्च करना ऑल इम्पोर्टेंट इन्वायरमेंटल समिट्स करियर लॉन्चर, इस तरह सर्च करना यूट्यूब पे, यू विल गेट अ वीडियो. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इन डिटेल. अर्थ समिट कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज तो उसके बाद की बात है, 1992 अर्थ समिट हुआ, उसके बाद it resulted into the establishment of UNFCCC. I have already taught in that class United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. उसके बाद COP1 स्टार्ट हुआ 95 then 96 97 like that, ठीक है. तो उसके बाद से कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टीज वी आर विटनेसिंग. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Where do you find the headquarter of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization? Yes, Ayush, Shruti, both are right. Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy. Food and Agriculture Organization headquarter आपको Rome, Italy में मिलेगा. So A is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. So you should know it. The next is the UNFCCC COP29 is going to be held. This is very, very important, I would say. UAE, Azerbaijan, France, Germany. और मैंने UNFCCC कोई बता सकता है UNFCCC का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, COP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? Anyone? I have taught in that environment summit class. उस क्लास में मैंने डिटेल में पूरा बताया. UNFCCC. Yes, Azerbaijan, Baku. Yes, Shruti and Ayush, you both are right. This is the right answer. And what is the full form of UNFCCC and what is the full form of COP? Anyone? COP is Conference of Parties. Yes, Ayush. Very good. ठीक है. यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन क्लाइमेट चेंज बाकू अजरबैजान में. ठीक है. And you can see it here. 11 say 12 no 11 to 22nd November it would be happening. ठीक है. Okay, बाकू अजरबैजान. ठीक है. Okay. है ना. So where is India? This is Azerbaijan, and here you will find Baku. So I have some issues in my pen tab, and that is why I'm not able to write clearly. ठीक है. ठीक है. Okay. Now the next question is, which of the following is true about Asian Development Bank? हाँ, UNFCCC का फुल फॉर्म वेरी गुड. श्रुति एंड आयुष ने बताया यूनाइटेड नेशन फ्रेमवर्क फॉर कन्वेंशन प्लान. ठीक है. ट्रू अबाउट एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? देखो, एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक एशिया नाम है, लेकिन सिर्फ एशियन कंट्रीज नहीं, इवन अदर नेशंस कैन आल्सो बिकम पार्ट ऑफ इट. So this is not correct. Except one or Asian countries, this is in fact also not correct. Many non-Asian countries are part of it. Japan and US have the highest share. ये सही है. In fact, US is not a part of Asia, है ना? But C is the right answer. Asian Development Bank. So C is the right answer to this question. Okay. And where is the headquarter of Asian Development Bank? कहाँ मिलेगा आपको headquarter? Asian Development Bank कई बार न्यूज़ वगैरह में रहता है, अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा न्यूज़पेपर्स, if you have read newspaper and all. इससे पहले का सी था. Yes, Shruti and Ayush, you both were right. What is the answer to question number 16? Yes, Ayush, you are right. D is the right answer to this question. Manila, Philippines is the right answer to this question. ठीक है. Manila is the capital of Philippines. ठीक है. Okay. So we will discuss this in detail about Asian Development Bank in detail in the next class. ठीक है. So this is all about today's class. please press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and now I'll be meeting you next Wednesday at this time. Okay. So let us end the class here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.